This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mark Zaberk. Fabulous GHO Bimini floor plan in highly desirable Serenoa Community. Extended paver patio and serene tropical garden really makes this one special. 2 brdm, 2 bath plus versatile flex/den/office. Sparkling tile floors throughout living area. Eat-in kitchen boasts granite, cherry cabinets, tile backsplash and a brand new range. Large primary bedroom features 2 closets, ensuite bath with walk-in shower and double vanity. Exopy garage floor, gutters, tall baseboard, long covered front porch are just some of the extras. Treat Community offers pool, clubhouse, gated entrance and convenient location. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Zaberk at 772-774-4416.